Bottle recycling with jute is not just about home decoration. It's also a wonderful small business idea. People today love eco-friendly decor. Handmade jute-wrapped bottles can be sold at craft fair place, online marketplace, or even gifted on a special occasion. You can personalize them with initial wedding themes or seasonal designs. For example, Xmas festivals bottles decorated with jute, lace, and bells make beautiful gifts, or imagine boho style bottles for wedding and parties. The market for sustainable handmade decor is growing fast, and you can be a part of it. So keep growing, keep watching. So the next time you finish a drink, don't throw the bottle away. Instead, see it as an opportunity. With just a roll of jute rope, a little creativity, and your personal touch, you can recycle, decorate, and inspire. Remember, every small effort toward recycling is a step toward a greener planet. And every handmade piece of art you create brings warmth and beauty home. Thank you for joining me on this creative adventure. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to try them yourself. Share your creation and inspire others to recycle beautifully. Together with simple crafts like these, we can make the world a little cleaner, a little greener, and a lot more artistic. Today, we are not just talking about craft, we are talking about change. A change in how we see waste, how we reuse that we already have, and how we bring life to the simplest of objects. Thinking about it, every day countless bottles end up in the trash. Plastic water bottle, glass soda bottles, old wine bottles, and jars. They seem useless, but if you look closely, they are actually hidden treasures. All they need is a little imagination. And when we pair these bottles with one of the most natural and beautiful materials on earth, jute, magic happens. So stay with me, because by the end of this season, you will see the next every bottle you throw away could have been turned into art, into home decor, or even into a thoughtful handmade gift. Recycling is often explained in big words, but at its core, it's simple. Recycling means giving something a second life. It means refusing to waste and instead creating value. When we recycle bottle with jute or paint or materials or beads, we are not only protecting the planet, we are also protecting culture, creativity, and our own sense of mindfulness. Crafting with jute slows us down in this fast world. Wrapping rope, a bottle, feeling the texture of natural fiber, painting with patience is almost like therapy. It calms the mind, and at the end, you hold a piece of art that carries your effort and your story and your love also. Let's take a moment to appreciate jute. People call it the golden fiber not just because of its warm brown color, but because of its countless uses. Jute is strong, natural, and eco-friendly. It doesn't harm the planet when it breaks down. Unlike plastic, farmers grow it in rich green field, and crafters across the world use it for bags, mats, and ropes. But in our hands, jute is not just material, it's design. Its texture speaks of simplicity, that its earthy tones remind us of nature, of roots, of rustic beauty. And when jute meets a recycled bottle, it increases a blend of modern art with traditional charm. So whether you want a bohemian look, a minimalist design, or a rustic farmhouse vibe, jute will never disappoint you. Now let's step into creativity. Here are some wonderful ways to recycle bottle with jute. Take an old glass bottle, wrap it fully in jute rope using hot glue, add a small bow or lace. or a single artificial flower. Place fresh roses, lavender, or dry weed stalks inside. Suddenly, that bottle is no longer trash, it's a centerpiece worthy at a home magazine. Love Colors paints the bottle with acrylic paints. Thank you for being a part of the journey. If you found inspiration today, share it with the others. Pick up a bottle, wrap it with jute, and watch how something so simple can bring so much beauty. Together, let's recycle, create, and